everyone! Welcome back to RSN Hospitality. Today we're diving into some essential tips for anyone starting their first job in a restaurant. Whether you're a server, host, or working in the kitchen, these tips will help you hit the ground running. Let's get started. First things first, understand your role. Make sure you know your job description and what's expected of you. If you're a server, get familiar with the menu. Know the ingredients, preparation methods, and any special dietary options. This knowledge will help you answer customer questions confidently. Customer service is key in the hospitality industry. Always greet customers with a smile and be polite. Listen actively to their requests and feedback. Remember, a happy customer is a returning customer. Teamwork makes the dream work. Be ready to help your coworkers and communicate effectively. If you're unsure about something, don't hesitate to ask for help. Your colleagues can provide valuable insights and guidance. Stay organized and manage your time efficiently. Keep track of your tasks and prioritize them, especially during busy hours. And always be punctual. Arriving on time shows that you are reliable and committed. Observe and learn from experienced staff. Watch how they handle different situations and be open to feedback. Constructive criticism is a part of learning, so use it to improve your skills and performance. Follow the restaurant's hygiene and safety protocols to ensure a clean and safe environment for everyone. Stay alert to prevent accidents and maintain a safe working environment. Keep a positive attitude. It helps you handle stressful situations better and makes your work environment more pleasant. Enjoy the interactions with customers and the camaraderie with your team. That's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you succeed in your new restaurant job. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks in the hospitality industry. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.